Creating storage solutions is a common approach when confronted with an overwhelming collection of belongings that need attention. The bedroom is no exception. It certainly requires effective storage. By building your own DIY small storage solutions, you can tailor them to fit every nook and cranny of your space. DIY projects are not only challenging, but also engaging, as they result in unique products that can inspire new creativity and enhancements in your environment. More on that later. In this discussion, we will explore 10 DIY small bedroom storage ideas. If you'd like to keep up with the latest featured videos in your home, simply subscribe and let the algorithm handle the rest. 10. Under bed storage. Did you know that you can create useful storage space under your bed? Take a look at this concept. Utilizing the area beneath your bed offers significant advantages. When you find that the bedside storage is insufficient, under-bed storage can serve as an effective alternative. The best way to maintain a clean and tidy room is to minimize clutter, but sometimes excess items are unavoidable. In these cases, under-bed storage becomes a practical solution that not only saves space, but also enhances the overall appearance of your bedroom. You can easily create under-bed storage using drawers or wooden crates. Adding 4 casters to each drawer is a great idea for easy mobility. Alternatively, you can simply place wicker baskets underneath your bed to store various items. Essentially, any storage method you choose will work effectively. Number 9. A clever DVD collection storage idea. Times are changing. What was once popular may now seem like mere clutter. While some people can adapt to letting go of the past, others feel a strong attachment to their collections, believing that older items may increase in value over time. This storage solution offers a clever way to preserve your DVD collection without taking up significant space, and it can be conveniently located under the bed. If you still have some available wall space above the bed, consider displaying additional DVDs there. This could also be a great way to showcase more of your collection without overwhelming your space. 8. Clothes storage organizer idea. When everything is neatly categorized and in its designated place, a sense of relief washes over you. Conversely, a chaotic environment can be incredibly frustrating. Fear not, as this DIY closet idea will help you organize your clothes in a straightforward manner. While this project may seem a bit complex, it will undoubtedly assist you in decluttering your bedroom. With an open closet design, you can quickly decide what to wear, streamlining your morning routine. Number 7. Pipeline hacks idea. If you have a large collection of shoes and need a smart storage solution, the pipeline shoe rack idea is the perfect answer to your dilemma. Start by selecting PVC pipes that are large enough to accommodate a pair of shoes. Cut the pipes to the appropriate length for each shoe. After ensuring the surfaces are clean, use a strong PVC glue to bond the pieces securely. Next, mark the desired locations for each pipe on the wall and install a nail at each marked point to anchor your new shoe storage. Number 6. Basket storage cabinet idea. Kids' rooms can often become one of the most chaotic spaces in the home, largely due to their tendency to scatter toys everywhere, often showing reluctance to tidy up afterward. A clever solution is needed to tackle this issue. Consider using baskets as an organizational tool. You can build shelves and divide them as shown in the accompanying picture. Use plywood and cut the pieces to uniform lengths. Before assembling, make sure to measure the height of each storage section carefully to ensure a perfect fit for the baskets. 5. An emergency storage idea. One often overlooked area in the bedroom is the space near the ceiling. If you're struggling to find room for books in your bedroom storage, this idea could be a lifesaver. Creating a ceiling-mounted shelf is not a time-consuming DIY task. You can start by painting the plywood before attaching it to the wall. Use a drill to secure the shelf with screws, ensuring a sturdy installation. The strength of your shelf will depend on how many screws or nails you use. The more secured the attachment, the better. 4. A divider with storage idea. A partition wall can be creatively crafted using a cabinet or a bookshelf. This approach is particularly useful when your bedroom lacks a conventional divider, as a bookshelf can effectively fulfill that role. To create this divider, you will need some wood and basic tools. Begin by obtaining a board and making 4 cuts, 2 of which should be of different sizes. Next, cut thinner boards to construct boxes or squares that will serve to segment the divider. Ensure these compartments are taller than the books you plan to store, making it easier to pull them out when needed. Finally, assemble the pieces with screws and apply paint for a polished finish. Number 3, a functional corner shelving idea. Installing a shelf in the corner of your room can be a savvy way to enhance an awkward space that doesn't quite blend with the rest of the decor. This solution not only conceals unsightly areas, but also beautifies them. Thankfully, the process is straightforward and not overly complicated. The steps for this project are similar to those for constructing a traditional shelf. The key difference lies in the design, which should complement the existing aesthetic in your bedroom. The color scheme will significantly influence its overall appearance as well, so choose hues that enhance rather than clash. 2. A bathroom secret storage idea. A door can also provide a clever storage solution. Simply add an over-the-door hook to hang some of your clothes. This method is excellent for small storage needs, such as keeping everyday outfits conveniently at hand. Additionally, consider the space above the door, which often goes unused. In compact areas like this, a wall-to-wall storage solution would be more effective. Such an arrangement not only looks better, but also simplifies the installation process, allowing for easier nailing or screwing into the wall. Make sure to use a chair when retrieving items from above the door. Before we wrap up our countdown, remember that every like, share, and comment helps us reach a wider audience. If you've watched this far, you know what to do. If the new voice kept you tuned in, give the video some hype to help it reach new heights. But if that feels like too much, just know you've done great by spending your valuable time here. With that, let's close our countdown with... Lastly, number 1, double advantage storage. This idea represents the pinnacle of DIY projects for your bedroom. It serves the dual purpose of both storage and a seating arrangement, such as a bed or bench. You're sure to love this innovative solution. Each box is spacious enough for inserting baskets, while also providing ample room to lay down. Don't forget to place a mattress on top for added comfort. Feel free to select any color that suits your taste. I believe you can easily construct this design by referring to the accompanying image. DIY small bedroom storage solutions can be created from materials you find suitable for your space. It doesn't have to involve high-end materials. What matters most is that it enhances the look of your bedroom and meets your satisfaction. Oh, and by the way, at the SimFoam channel, you'll discover a range of lists that you won't find anywhere else. For example, we offer insights like 10 small bedroom ideas with big beds, 10 interior design tips to improve your sleep quality, and 10 creative DIY projects to revamp your shoe storage, among many others. Each list is compiled through extensive research and careful writing, with relevant sources included to enhance your learning experience. So, what are you waiting for? If you have some free time and internet access, follow the link in the description to fully explore what SimFoam has to offer. That's it for now. Before you go, please like this video if you enjoyed it. Feel free to comment or share it with your friends on social media or via email. Lastly, we look forward to seeing you again soon with more videos like this. Until then, thanks for watching.